Now let's see how we can use MATLAB to generate the topographic map. First, we need to check the data provided by the example. The data is stored in the Excel file. The first column is the x coordinate. The second one is the y coordinate, and the third one is the elevation. And then let's open the MATLAB program. Here I define the function as topography, and at the first step we need to read the data from the Excel file. We have to call the function xlsread with the file name. This function is only applied to read the Excel file. At the next step, we can draw the data points that we imported to the program. By clicking Run, we can get all the data points. So here, those points only shows the location that we selected for the study region. It does not show the elevation yet. At the next, we can apply the Delaunay triangulation. The function here, Delaunay, is applied to generate the Delaunay triangulation. We need to use the x coordinate and the y coordinate. Also, once the triangulation is complete, we have to plot the triangles based on the result, where we have to record the function tryplot. And now let's see the effect. The figure on the left shows the original data points that we observed from the field experiment. And the figure here is the triangulation for all the data points. If we go in this figure, you can find that for each triangle in this graph, the circle generated at the 3 points of the triangle will not cover any other data points from the experiment. This one is appropriate for the generation of the topographic map. At last, we can then go to the generation of the topographic map. Here I have a set of functions to create an appropriate data grids so that we can find out an appropriate contour lines. And let's see the result. The figure here is the topographic map that we generated from the triangulation in the figure on the left. Each line in this figure, well actually the color line in this figure represents the locations with the same elevation. And the elevation will be the same to the one that we collected from the field experiment, which is listed in our dataset. So that's the way for us to use MATLAB for the generation of the topographic map. And I will share this code to you, and you can use the same dataset for the generation of the topographic map.